Okay guys, today I want to do a Toyota MR2, I think that's what it is. I'm going to use some red paper. Last time I used pink, so I want to do some red. I like using multicolored paper, I think that's a cool effect. I'm trying to think what to start with. You know, I always do the car, then I do the background and stuff, so how about if I try something different and I do the background first, maybe create the negative space around it first. Let's see how that goes. So, just going to do the outline of the car. So this is be the bonnet coming up with the windscreen. I thought you can barely see it is grey. Might do something darker. Okay, maybe let's get some blue in there maybe. Okay, so let's just blend this in. Okay, so I've got the negative space in there. It's a nice fluffy background. So let's do the foreground. Let's make this a bit darker. So I just want to highlight some of the shapes first. So if this is the bonnet coming up, do this line coming down and around. Then with a side mirror here. Okay, then got these little lines here. And then I've got this front splitter on my foot reference. Okay, then side panels. And the rear wheel arch. This is quite modified, so it's not exact. And this is a large rim. Do some dots across here, door handle. I want to make this area look very, very dark, so I might go with a bit of black there. So I'm just working my way with these blacks. Let's just highlight this in. Let's do some large exhaust coming up here. Then a bit of shadow just across here. Okay. Right. Maybe I'll do another Copic blue in there. Just across there. It is blending with the black a little bit, so I'm just going to be very careful with it. It's a very smooth paper, this card, which is good. But you just got to be careful. Certain paper have certain rules, and practice makes perfect. Maybe I'll do a few lines just here. And just a few lines on here. Okay, I might add a bit of white on here, so let's see what happens.
One, two, three, go!
Okay, let's just smooth this out. Okay, so that's dark. That's kind of got a nice top layer in there. I want to bring back some of these colours with a bit of blue, maybe. are. What else? Needs something. Yeah, add a contrasting pastel colour just on this side. Let's go for a bit yellow.
1, 2, 3, go!
Again, let's do a bit of white here as well. I don't know, I'm just playing with the picture. Okay, so that's got an interesting effect there. Hasn't turned out the way that I expected, but ayo, I'm still liking the picture. I might just pull this car out from that background with a bit of white gel pen. It doesn't work, doesn't really like this paper so much, you just kind of work with it. Not press down too hard. Just to make it pop out a bit more. Filling in some of these gaps with white gel pen. I like the effect it's given, so I'm just going to go along with it. This just highlights some of the shapes. Just going around. A lot of my drawings, I'm not replanning them. I don't do pencil sketches half the time. I just throw the car down. I know what car I want to draw. I've got a photo reference. But I just play with the colours, pulling in pastel layers, marker layers, and gel pens, and we'll just see how it turns out. Don't like to plan too much. It just gets too complicated. Although, yeah, if I was doing a commission, it'd be a bit different, but so then it'd be a very specific effect that they'll look for.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, that's looking awesome. I like that effect. Might bit of black just down there, just to really pull it out a bit more. Just being very careful, don't want to put too much black down. And this is the MR2. I think that's the car, I hope it is anyway. Okay, I'm going to leave it there guys, thanks for watching. It's been a pretty interesting drawing, I like that, looks pretty awesome. This looks very flat though, this wheel, it's got a flat tyre. So let's just going to smooth this around a little bit. I don't think there's anything else I want to add there. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.